Wow, so amazing. This is amazing way of restoring teeth. What could this be? Okay, okay, stamp. I think the light is to make it strong. Oh, interesting. To take the shape of the teeth. Okay. Wow. You would think that this tooth decay is a minor one. Look at how deep it is going. So deep. Wow. Ah, so there is nothing like small cavity. Look at how deep this thing has gone into this teeth. Very deep. Wow. Hmm. Oh, this tooth is almost gone. So this is what it looks like when you go to dentist to fill your teeth. So this is the process that they're going to go through. Analyzing the tooth decay. Okay, they're not doing the stamp testing. Okay, they're covering it up to protect the other teeth. Okay, selecting teeth. Interesting. Bonding. Adhesive for bonding. This is interesting. Make it strong. As you can see, it is not strong. Okay. Wow. Do you think that this teeth will still have problem in future? No, I don't think so. All these things that is being put inside it. Wow, to restore the teeth back. There's so many layers. I'm making it strong. Oh, incremental composite filling. Okay, this is amazing. Leave your comments in the description below if you have filled your teeth before. Yes, I have. And mine wasn't white like this. My own was like brownish or black in color, which I don't even fancy at all. Because each time I open my teeth, my son will be like, Mommy, there is black something on your teeth. How will I explain to him that that is filling? No, it's good. But how I wish I have this kind of opportunity. Where can I find this dentist? He's doing an amazing job here. Wow, this is beautiful. Like, wow. If you're not told or if you didn't watch this video, you wouldn't know that this teeth has gone through filling. So interesting. Wow. Finishing to make everything to be smooth and feels like normal teeth. Can I see this dentist? Oh, this is beautiful. Leave your comment in the comment section. What do you think about this teeth filling? What do you think about it? Do you prefer the white one or the colored one? To me, I think I prefer this white one. Nobody will notice that you had a tooth decay before, and this is like natural teeth. It is beautiful. Oh, so amazing. Oh, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching.